Place dental paste on your feet at night, and the next day, you will thank me for this advice. But this is not all, since if you watch the full video, I will teach you why many people are putting a spoon to cool in their freezer. And if for some reason you run out of gas at home, I will teach you how you can cook potatoes without the need for the stove and using only a few wooden sticks. So without further ado, let's quickly get to know why you should place dental paste on your feet. First, take a container and add a tablespoon of dental paste. Then add 2 tablespoons of salt. Also add a tablespoon of moisturizing cream of the brand you prefer. And as a last ingredient, we add a tablespoon of coconut oil. Mix everything very well until it is integrated. I would like to know from which country you see us to send you a special greeting. Today's greeting is for Nuris Montilla from Ecuador. Then apply it to your feet by giving yourself soft circular massages and let it rest overnight to make it work. The next morning, you will notice the change in your feet, since this recipe renews your feet if they are dry and cracked. It also helps to eliminate the bacteria and fungi present in the feet. Now for the second tip, I will teach you why many people are putting a spoon to cool in their refrigerator. Take a chrome spoon and put it in the refrigerator, letting it rest for 15 minutes until it cools well. After the time, we can use it. If you have any bruises or inflammation, or the joints tend to bother you, by placing the spoon on the area for a minute, this will help to restore it, remove the discomfort, and make you feel better. Now for the third trick, I will teach you how you can cook potatoes only with the help of some kitchen chopsticks. First, we take some potatoes and place the chopsticks in this way that I show you. Then we take it to heat the microwave for 5 minutes. After this time, we are going to take the potatoes out of the microwave. You will notice that they will be very hot. We remove the chopsticks and immediately cut with a knife. These will be well cooked. This is an ideal method for when the gas runs out at home and you don't know what to cook. If you have come this far, let me know which of these tricks was your favorite. And remember to subscribe to our channel for more content like this.